Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I'm going to show you how to fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. First, go to your Roblox app and make sure it's logged in. But if you cannot log in because of the Roblox Authenticator, here are the steps to follow. When you are trying to log in, this box will pop up in your screen and it looks like this. If you don't know your authenticator code, you will see at the bottom says use another verification method.
You will see two options, Authenticator and Backup Code.
You're gonna go ahead and press the backup code that's provided by the Roblox Authenticator and input your backup code. But however, if you don't have a backup code, you cannot log into your Roblox account. To access your Roblox Authenticator, try to recover your PIN. If you don't know your authenticator and backup code, you cannot log into your Roblox account. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.